Today's video, I'll show you where to find the blend tool and how to go about using it in the most basic way possible and get creative with your videos. So be sure to have the latest update for YouCut and let's get started. So if you're looking to achieve something like this here, where there's two videos as an overlay with that sort of vibes going on here, I'll show you how to do that. In order to get access to the blend tool, you'll first have to make sure you're adding a video overlay using the PIP tool, which would be this tool right here. So I'll go to it and I'm gonna select one of the material videos here just to give you an idea of how it works. So I'll go down and find something that fits kind of cool, all right? So I'll just add this effect here. Now, when I select this video overlay here, at first it'll appear like this here, and you can choose to adjust the size of it however you want to go about using it, or browse over and look for the fill tool, this here. This is going to fill up your entire video frame that you're currently editing. And while you're here in this section, you'll see where it says blend, all right? So when you select blend now, you have different blend options. And you'll notice as I make the different selections, you will see how this video overlay changes in the overall color and appearance. So I'll do this here, you got that here, this here, the burn, the light area here, hard light, soft, and each one of them has a different outcome. So let's just say we go with the lights in one here, right? So you can still see the video overlay effects here. This adjusts the transparency of that video overlay. And when I press the check mark here now, you will have this special effect now. So you'll see how the video overlay effect is playing into it, okay? And of course, this is just one way of using it. You can add a next video overlay, all right, and then place it somewhere here or there and just make use of the blend. But just to show you how it works for YouCut Video Editor, like and sub.